going on, guys? Erick Toro Velazquez here, and I'm gonna show you a little sneaky sneak of how I prepare my mustache. And I use this brand right here. You know what I like about this? It feels really Okay, who's this guy? Hold on. I don't want to. Is that a laser? Okay, where's Ashton Kutcher? I don't want to get punked right now. So if you guys can. Okay, that was a really good shot. But what? Anyways, can I have a comb? Somebody? Oh, hell yeah.
Five minutes later.
Thank you guys for watching that little video there. Thank you to my coach, Jeff Kelly. He's really good with all this technology that I'm not really fond of. But anyways, I want to give a special shout out to both Killer Tendencies to making a collaboration with Death Grip here to making this special t-shirt for me. I love it. As you can see, it has all my sponsors and my name. Thank you so much. And without Death Grip and Vintage Grooming, I won't have this. This right here is my moneymaker. So I really appreciate you guys. Keep on doing what you're doing. Go ahead and follow, guys. There's my Instagram and Facebook. Click that button, follow, like, and you'll see future content. Thank you guys again. Have a great day, and see you soon.